Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how I customize and install this unit. This unit is from Maxglam. It's 13 by 6 lace frontal and it's 20 inches long. This is how the hair came straight out of the package, very voluminous, just the way that I like it. As you guys can see, the lace is transparent, and the first thing that I did was bleach the knots. I used 30 volume developer and I used the BW2 lightener, and it's by Clairol. You want your bleach to be very thick so that it doesn't see through the knots, and I'm using a plastic knife to spread the product evenly everywhere that you see lace, basically. So I left this product on for about 20 minutes and then I rinsed it out with the Shimmer Lights shampoo just to remove any type of brassiness. Now the next step is basically plucking the hair. As you guys can see, well, I don't know, I didn't show how it looked prior to me plucking it, but it definitely needed to be plucked, and that's exactly what I did. Tried my best to capture it on film, but I was blocking the camera and it just wasn't working. So I'm just using the adjustable straps to make sure that the wig is nice and snug onto my head. And for this wig, this is actually the first wig that I've gotten that I didn't have to cut the ear tab. I just basically cut the lace. It was actually the right measurement. So I actually don't like to cut the lace on my head because I'm really paranoid that I'll cut something that I'm not supposed to. So I basically took off the wig, cut the lace, and then I applied it. As always, I'm using my Ghost Blonde glue to apply the wig, and I did 3 coats of the glue. I like to apply my wigs in sections, as you guys seen in my last 2 videos. I start off with the top, then I work on the sides. So for this install, I decided to do the ball cap method, which came out okay. I wanted to try it out. In the past, I've always failed, but this is actually the best that I've ever done. You will see some demarcation of the glue, but it will dry clear. It's a waste of a cap, so I probably won't do it again. Alright, now on to my favorite part, the baby hairs. You can always stop here and style the hair accordingly, but I added a few swoops to the front just to complete the look. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my satin scarf to lay it for a couple of minutes. Once I take it off, then I'll go into styling the hair. So satisfying. I love doing that. It just looks so bomb. So now I'm gonna go into styling the hair. I'm doing a middle part this time around. I use my hot comb to define the part and to flatten the hair around the part area. And then as far as styling the curls, I'm going to be diluting conditioner. Any type of conditioner would work for this. The conditioner was basically to detangle the hair. You will see me use my Denman brush after spraying the hair with conditioner and water. And then I used a lot of body styling mousse to the curls, to give the curls a hold. You can stick with just using conditioner to define the curls. It'll definitely give you good results. However, by the end of the day, your hair will be frizzy. So I do recommend using some type of product that has some type of hold, just so that your curls will last longer and look fresh. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm having so much fun just recording and editing and doing, these videos more often. So hopefully I can definitely, be more consistent even when shutdown is over. But subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.